Hey, what's up? This video is for you if you've been hurt, which should be every single human being. We get hurt, right? By other people. You've hurt other people, and other people have hurt you. Now, disclaimer, I'm going to share a quote that's one of my favorites, and this video is not, I'm not talking about abusive relationships, okay? So sometimes people leave comments like, yeah, but are you saying if I'm in an abusive relationship, getting hurt is okay? No, guys, like, that's different stuff, all right? I'm not here to coach you around abusive relationships. I'm here to coach you around relationships where we get hurt. And sometimes that's a work person, that's a family member, it's an intimate partner, it's a child, it's a parent. We hurt each other. And if we have a fantasy that good relationships mean you never get hurt, you're in for a world of hurt, because that's not how relationships work. Good relationships include pleasure and pain. They include being triggered and triggering. They include joy. They include sorrow. They include, ow, that hurt my heart. What are you doing, partner, person? The difference in a good relationship is after we hurt each other, you come back around and you clean up the mess. That's the hallmark of a good relationship. How do we repair and reconnect after we hurt each other? That's the ticket, you know? So this quote by Maya Angelou is one of my favorites. You've heard it before. I've posted it before here. Have enough courage to trust love one more time. Always one more time. And I think what she means is, look, you're going to get hurt again in a month, in a year, in 5 years, in 10 years. But that's not a good enough reason to not open your heart. So have the courage to open your heart again, even after you've been hurt by that last breakup, by your current partner, by a family member yesterday, by your parents when you were a little kid. Yep, you were hurt. Yes. It doesn't disacknowledge or not acknowledge that. It says, okay. And she's saying, let's open our heart again and again and again and again and again, right? I think that's our responsibility to learn how to do that in the context of intimate relationships and close friendships and high-stake relationships. And if you're in relationships where you feel like you can't open your heart, that's your problem. You got to surround yourself with people who will actually accept you as you are and who will challenge and support you to be who you are. That's a great relationship. So have enough courage to trust love one more time, even after you've been hurt. You can do this. You're lovable. You're so worthy of love, just the way you are. Even when you feel broken and feel hurt, you know, sometimes it's the hurt and the heartbreak that actually opens our heart to a deeper level of love. That's why staying in relationship with people that hurt us, and if both people are mutual and fair and kind and willing, we can go so much deeper together. Because it's like, oh, I hurt you, and now I need to clean it up and make it right again. And we do that for each other. It's so powerful. Versus a superficial relationship where it's like, oh, I never want to get hurt, and we just stay on the surface and everything's great. That's not a relationship I want to be in, personally. Those are okay to have, like many concentric circles out. But your inner circle, no. You're going to get hurt by your inner circle people. But if you develop tools and understanding and capacity to work through conflict, you can have much more fulfilling relationships. And it is going to require what Maya Angelou reminds us of, to have the courage to open that heart again. Trust love one more time. Always one more time. If you can relate or some part of this message connect with you, just leave a heart or a fist bump perhaps below this video. Talk soon.